What if you could step outside our entire galaxy and see the Milky Way for the very first time? No spacecraft has ever gone far enough to take that picture, until Gaia changed everything. For centuries, we have looked up at a faint band of light stretched across the night sky and called it home. But we never truly knew what home looked like. We were inside it, looking out, never able to see the whole picture, until now. The Gaia Space Telescope spent years scanning our galaxy from the inside out. 3 trillion observations, 2 billion stars and cosmic objects measured, tracked, and mapped with extraordinary precision. And from all of that data, scientists built something no human eye has ever seen before. The most detailed animation of the Milky Way ever created, and what it reveals is breathtaking. We can now clearly see the Milky Way's central bar, a dense, blazing structure of ancient stars cutting through the galaxy's core. We can trace its spiral arms, vast, curved rivers of stars and gas sweeping outward into darkness. Viewed edge-on, we can identify the galaxy's bulge and its disk, the flat, spinning plane where our own sun quietly lives. But here is what no one expected. That disk is not flat. It is warped. It wobbles like a spinning vinyl record, slightly bent out of shape. Scientists believe this warp was caused by a collision, a smaller galaxy crashing into our Milky Way long ago, leaving a ripple across our entire home that we are still feeling today. And Gaia did not stop there. Moving further out, it studied our galaxy's companions, the large and small Magellanic Clouds, and 40 other satellite galaxies orbiting around us. By tracking streams of stars moving through space, Gaia revealed our galaxy's violent and turbulent history, a history of collisions, mergers, and cosmic chaos that shaped everything we see today. Somewhere in that vast, spinning disk of 200 billion stars is our sun, and orbiting that sun is everything we have ever known. This is where we live. This is our home. Does seeing the Milky Way from the outside change the way you feel about our place in the universe? Tell us in the comments below.